my friends think I'm moody, but I think I'm just fine. I could be pissed, but I'll act like I'm not. I really remember when I say I forgot. No matter how hard I try to run away from love at the end of the night.
Okay, y'all, so hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Katrena. You want to get in the video? Come on. And this is my son, King. Tell him hey, King. Tell him hey. You just said you want to get a video. Say hey. All right, bye then. Okay then, say hey. Okay, so today, I know y'all see the way I'm dressed. It's Sunday. I got out of church earlier, and I still ain't changed my clothes. But today I will be cooking this dish I seen on Facebook. It's called loaded mac and cheese. So basically, it's baked macaroni with shrimp, sausage, and crab meat in it. Well, crab imitation meat. I tried this before. It was good, but I feel like I can do better. Honestly, because my stupid tail cooked shrimp knowing that I had pre-cooked shrimp. But I could have just stuck it in the oven with the other stuff, because all pre-cooked shrimp needs to be done is warmed up, basically. Yeah, warmed up. So I'm gonna get my you strong? Yeah. I'm gonna get my stuff together, and I'll be basically what I'm finna do. Hold on, Fat. What I'm about to do is put the noodles on. You gotta boil the noodles, and then you can mix everything together. I'm gonna show y'all that process, cause y'all know what I'm saying. My mom baked mac and cheese is delicious, and she done showed me how to make it. So y'all come on this journey with me. I don't have nowhere to prop up my phone besides over there in that area, so. Okay. Keep trying to wash his hands because he just seen me wash my hands. I know I'm gonna use this pot and fill it up with some hot water. Yeah, I'm trying to get hot water. Fill it up with some hot water, put some salt and butter and pepper in it, and then do it. Y'all excuse my baby, y'all knew he was coming. So the pressure in the kitchen side, when you turn it on hot water, it come out, but it come out slow. It be like, but it's real powerful when it comes to the cold water. So this is what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do is let the water come to a boil, and then I'm gonna pour the noodles in there, and I'm gonna show y'all the ingredients we got to make it. King. What? Go wash your hands in the bath in my bathroom. Y'all like my hair? It's lit, ain't it? Yeah, it was a good service at church today. Actually, I'm talking about today, every day, but it was hot today. I don't know what's taking this water so long to fill up. Okay, y'all, so the pot has finally filled up, and I'm gonna take y'all over here. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So, quick little minute while I'm letting the noodles boil. I forgot to show y'all my ingredients. So, I have the imitated crab meat, the shrimp, the value bag, extra small. This is what the crab meat look like. This is what the shrimp look like. And I got this cheese. I got this cheese. Got my baby crying again. He better with his daddy. I got this sausage. I have 2 cans of evaporated milk. And I have a can of cheese. I don't know why my camera look like this. But yeah, I'm waiting for the noodles to be boiled. To boil, and I promise y'all I'll be back. You ready? Okay, y'all, so the macaroni is obviously done. I'm gonna mix this stuff up together. Yeah, I don't remember how I mixed it up last time. I really don't.
Oh, you strong today.
You said what?
You strong today.
I don't know what so I'm taking the evaporated milk. I forgot how to do this. You know how to do this?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I got it. Yeah, I don't know where my mama electric
In the corner over here.
I don't like using it.
Bless. Bless.
Thank you. So I got the stove preheating right now to 400 degrees.
Oh my God.
So as I mix the stuff up, I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up because I don't like for my stuff to pile up. And then do the, you get what I mean?
You're gonna pre-mix it.
Yeah, pre-mix it. See, I'm glad you be in here because you know what I'm saying? I won't be doing my words. As soon as I get on the camera, I'm lost.
I always do it too. Come on now.
I be out here looking like I'm slow. And I ain't got no...
You ain't got nothing but all the sense in the world.
Right. I feel like I'm missing something.
Yeah, a little speed to what you're doing. That's it.
I'm trying to think if I'm missing something.
Where the big bag at?
Over there. Give me some.
I'm just asking. No rushing.
Like, even though I have got a little bag in the big bag. Y'all, this gonna be good, actually. So the shrimp that I was thawing out, it goes inside here. It was already deshelled. It was already deshelled.
I know.
So I'm gonna just...
And pre-cooked.
Yeah, I'm gonna just rinse this off. They're not frozen, y'all, so I don't know why I still got ice on. They ain't frozen. They just really cold.
Oh, this is gonna be so good, man.
What's it what?
I can't wait.
My hands are so cold, y'all.
That's a lot of shrimp.
I know. Forgot to get in. Every bite supposed to have some shrimp.
You'll have a whole lot of shrimp every bite. And then you still got the sausage, and you still got crab meat.
It's loaded.
You gonna barely have macaroni in there.
Alright.
Okay.
It's gonna be a whole lot of macaroni like it was last time. I really don't want to put that crab meat in there.
You say you don't?
Yeah, I ain't gonna put a lot of it.
You don't like crab meat?
Cause I don't really like imitation crab meat.
It was good to me last time.
Was it?
Yeah. I mean, but if y'all don't like it, then yeah.
I'm gonna let you start recording when I put the sausage in there because I forgot. Forgot the what you call? We can start recording. Okay, y'all. So basically, what I did was add the sausage, add some more evaporation milk, and add the cheese. I might put some more up there, and then I'm gonna stick it in the oven for probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back because it's gonna be good. Alright, say it first.
Sorry. Amen.
You can't say me.
Real good.
Close out my vlog. I mean my video.
You know how to
Just say
like, comment, and subscribe.
we'll see y'all in the next video.
We'll see y'all next video.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Man, I ain't gotta do it the way you told me to do it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on your notifications.
And turn on your notifications. Anything else?
How can I explain myself?